Hey everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to fix Ticketmaster app login not working. If you can't sign in, stuck on loading, or the app keeps saying something went wrong, this video will fix it. Let's get started. 1. Check your internet connection. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Sometimes Ticketmaster blocks login on weak connections. 2. Check if Ticketmaster is down. Search Ticketmaster down on Google, or try opening the Ticketmaster website from a browser. If the site is also not opening, Ticketmaster might be having a temporary server issue. 3. Force close and reopen the app. Open your recent apps and close Ticketmaster fully. Reopen it and try logging in again. 4. Clear cache on Android or offload app on iPhone. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Ticketmaster, Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, Ticketmaster, Offload App, then Reinstall. This removes temporary files that stop login from working. 5. Reset your password. Sometimes the login error is actually a password issue. Tap on Forgot Password and reset it using your email. 6. Check email verification. If you're new to Ticketmaster, make sure you verified your email. Check your inbox or spam folder for a verification link. 7. Try logging in from a web browser. Open Chrome or Safari and go to Ticketmaster.com. If login works on the website but not the app, the issue is with the app, not your account. 8. Update the Ticketmaster app. Go to Play Store or App Store and update the app. Older versions often cause login issues. 9. Restart your phone. A simple restart clears hidden network or app glitches. 10. Check date and time. Go to Settings, Date and Time, then turn on Set Automatically. Wrong date or time can stop the app from connecting to Ticketmaster servers. That's it. These steps fix almost every Ticketmaster login issue. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials.